They remain defiant and antagonized. Following a court ruling at the industrial court in Nairobi, nurses decried what they termed as the government's laxity to address their grievances outside the Ministry of Labour headquarters in Nairobi. It was a ruling they hoped would be upheld in their favor, voicing one concern that the government had missed the eye of the storm, which is in the country's ailing healthcare system. However, Industrial Court Judge Maureen Onyango vacated the orders granted to the union on December 28, 2012 by Justice David Marete, who had declared the strike legal and ordered that their union be registered. In her ruling, Judge Maureen Onyango directed that any nurse who does not go back to work will be in breach of employment contract and risks disciplinary action being taken against them as per Section 80 of the Labour Relations Act. Nurses were further directed to go back to work while the court deals with their petition regarding the registration of their union and protection of their fundamental rights. The back and forth between the unregistered nurses union and the government continues to stretch an already struggling public healthcare delivery system. But they have vowed to defy the court order, insisting that the government is not half as serious in honouring their most pertinent concern, the registration of their union.
We want allowances which have been approved to be given to the nurses. We want the nurses who are being held in modern-day slavery, being put on contracts. They are being paid 20,000 shillings to be employed on permanent and pensionable terms. We want the nurses who have been stagnated in their job groups to be promoted.
Lakini hawa wameendelea kunyima wauguzi mshahara ya December, kutransfer hao, kuandikia barua za show cause letters wameandikiwa. Hiyo ni kupuuza zile orders jaji alipeana tarehe 27.
As both the government and the unregistered union appear to be playing hardball, the country's public healthcare system sags under the weight and pressure of the strike. Mbilu, Citizen Weekend.